I feel like UT Tyler's nursing program has really set a strong foundation, especially my career as a nurse. We got to do clinicals at the hospitals around here, and I just fell in love with that hospital. And so when I applied, it was almost an immediate response. They called me asking me for an interview, and when I went to get my interview done, I was walking to my car and I got a phone call and they said, "Is this even a question? Of course you got the job." And so I was ecstatic for my first nursing job too. I have professors, especially in nursing school, that I still keep in touch with. Our career is the most important thing to them when they are teaching us. When somebody looks at my resume and sees that I graduated from UT Tyler Nursing, it already puts me a head above the rest because they know how strategic the nursing program is here and how well they prepare us. I'm really proud that I graduated from UT Tyler's nursing program.